Lexi here, also known as Lexi. Today is day 2 of going to egg to parrot. Day 1 we got this and we did open an egg and got that. Now I'm very excited and I have high hopes. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. You guys are gonna enjoy this. Basically, this whole video is going to be speed motion, so I'm not going to be talking. So yeah, enjoy this speed motion clip, and have a nice day, guys, and I hope you enjoy the video. Guys, I did get banned, but I had to reactivate this account. It was for spam. I was spamming it too much, but now I know and I won't do that again. So yeah, but I think I'm gonna now trade apples for pets. Or like, sorry, grind and stuff. But yeah, so here's another speed motion clip. I'm sorry about the other one. Sorry about the other one. But yeah. Anyways, let's get into the speed clip. So guys, that's gonna be the end of day 2. I think it was pretty successful again. We didn't get a legendary yet, but I'm pretty sure I'll get one soon. I just wanted something easy today, so yeah, I didn't really want to spend much time on this video. But here's the inventory tour. We have a mouse, a Maya, a cute Acarbra, an ant, and a wildfire hawk. And then we got a honeybee collar. We have some of these. And then I got sailboat strollers, 3 lemonades, bicycle, Elmosaurus fossil, I think that's how you say it, and a woolly mammoth sticker and a Cyber2 sticker. So thank you guys so much for watching, and stay tuned for day 3. And I'm hoping that day 3 will be more successful than this, but yeah, day 3 hopefully will come out tomorrow if I'm not busy. So yeah, I will always try and post at 2 p.m. or 3, but I told you my posting times, and yeah, so don't expect videos every single day because that's gonna be hard. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and have a lovely day or night. Bye.